Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can play Brawl Stars on PC. So to basically play Brawl Stars on PC, you need an Android emulator. So go to Google and here search for LD Player. And then here go to this website, ldplayer.net. And then all you need to do, just click this download LD Player 9 and you just need to install it to your computer. So as you can see here, it will show you the exe file and then click on that. And here, as you can see, you just need to select the setup path right here at the bottom right. Select the folder where you want to save this installation. So from here, just need to click on reject button. And as you can see, it will now starting to download this LD Player 9. Now, once done, as you can see, it will automatically open up your app player. Now here, you just need to go to the search box right there at the top to basically search for the Brawl Stars game. So from here, as you can see, some of the application and games. So go to the top left, go to the search box and type Brawl Stars. So type right here. Or you can basically go to the Brawl Stars right here. So just click on this application. And then on the next page, you'll find some details about this app or game. So basically here, you just have to click on the install button at the top right. And once you install this to your PC, you can now start playing these Brawl Stars to your PC or laptop. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.